Now that you have understood some few basics, let's see what's in store for you. In the second module, we are going to look at balance sheet in greater detail. We are going to understand what is meant by asset and look at greater detail of what items go into the balance sheet as assets. For example, will good name in the business get into the balance sheet, or reputation of a business get into the balance sheet? In the second module, we will also look at the various elements of the balance sheet in greater detail. After that, we will move to the income statement. In the third week, we will look at the income statement in greater detail. While it is simple to say income statement consists of revenue minus expense, but we need to understand what is meant by revenue, when do we measure revenue, how do we take it in the income statement, or are there any rules, are there any issues in the income statement recognition. We will also look at the cash flow statement after looking at the income statement. The module 4 and 5 will include analyzing the financial statements. While we have three important statements, the balance sheet, income statement and cash flow statement, we need to see what sense we can make out of these numbers. Is the business doing well? Does it have any problems? Is there a cash flow issue? Will the company face any future cash flow problems or profit related issues and so on? So, we need to analyze this balance sheet, the income statement and cash flow to make some sense of the numbers, and that we will be doing in module 4 and 5. See you soon in the subsequent modules. Have a great time.